Forget everything you know about factory-built luxury SUVs. What you are looking at right now is not just another high-end redesign. This is the 2027 Range Rover SV Monolith Edition. A custom extended, matte black masterpiece designed to do one single thing: make every ordinary million-dollar vehicle look completely outdated overnight. While the standard Range Rover from the showroom is trying to look elegant and calm, this absolute beast is built for pure, unadulterated street dominance. But beneath this velvety, light-absorbing armor lies a massive structural secret that the manufacturers desperately tried to keep under wraps. A secret that changes the rules of luxury forever, and we are exposing it in exactly 90 seconds. Look closely at the proportions. Range Rover has always understood road presence better than almost anyone else in the industry. But by extending this specific wheelbase, the side profile completely redefines modern automotive design. It looks less like a standard family cruiser and more like a stealth fighter jet engineered specifically for the streets. The premium matte black finish absorbs nearly 99% of visible light, beautifully hiding the panel gaps and creating a solid, dark monolithic silhouette. The designers deliberately removed the aggressive chrome vents, the fake exhaust tips, and the overstyled body drama that other brands use to scream for attention. This is pure confidence. It stands there knowing it doesn't need to shout to look expensive. But do not let the clean exterior fool you. To pull a massive, extended frame like this without snapping the chassis, Automotive insiders claim that engineers had to completely reinvent the undercarriage materials. They introduced a hidden mechanical setup that costs more than a brand new sports car. But wait. Before we look at the unbelievable performance numbers under the hood, there is a dangerous engineering flaw that comes with extending a luxury vehicle to this extreme length. A flaw that nobody else in the luxury car community is talking about. A flaw that could literally trap you or ruin your driving experience in tight North American or European city parking lots. If you think this is just a regular aesthetic upgrade, you are dead wrong. Let's reveal the interior reality that makes this car both a masterpiece and a nightmare. Welcome inside the sanctuary. The moment the heavy doors open, the cockpit completely throws away the old, tired luxury recipe. This is not just soft leather, shiny wooden trim, and a giant screen glued to the middle of the dashboard. The entire layout feels like a futuristic, multi-million-dollar luxury yacht. The dashboard is exceptionally wide and clean, featuring integrated displays that blend seamlessly into a console crafted from brushed aerospace-grade titanium. But the real masterpiece is happening directly behind the driver's seat. Because of that custom extended frame, the rear passenger cell has been converted into a completely soundproof, armored lounge that gives you a true private jet feeling. We are talking deep sculpted seats, laser-detailed material patterns, ceramic finishes, and a hidden AI assistant that reads your body temperature and mood before you even speak. But remember that fatal flaw we mentioned? Driving a machine this long through tight streets isn't just difficult, it is nearly impossible without one specific, cutting-edge technology. To prevent this monster from driving like a commercial city bus, it utilizes a revolutionary, electronically controlled four-wheel steering matrix. At low speeds, the rear wheels turn in the opposite direction of the front wheels, artificially shortening the turning radius and allowing this giant to maneuver like a compact cruiser. It is an engineering marvel. But here is where things get truly controversial. When you put this concept's performance and presence next to its biggest global rival, the BMW X7 Black Vermilion, the truth becomes honestly embarrassing for German engineering. Because what is under this hood isn't trying to be a race car on stilts. It represents a completely different philosophy of power. The old-school SUV formula was incredibly simple: make the vehicle big, make it loud, make it heavy, and people will pay attention. But this new generation is playing a completely different game. The 2027 Monolith is expected to sit right in the transition zone of ultimate performance, utilizing a high-output twin-turbo hybrid setup that delivers massive horsepower without ever making the cabin feel frantic. The best version of this SUV never feels nervous. It moves with a quiet, terrifying authority, giving you instant throttle response when you ask for it, but keeping the outside world completely muted. Advanced air suspension, active body control, and predictive terrain intelligence work quietly in the background to make broken asphalt feel like polished silk. This is the difference between an SUV that merely has expensive materials and an SUV that actually feels expensive when it moves. Anyone can make a cabin look premium under bright studio lights, but the real test happens on wet corners, long highways, and crowded city streets. That is where this custom build proves its luxury isn't just visual. The safety and driver assistance systems are equally invisible, yet incredibly powerful. It doesn't constantly beep or remind you that it exists. Instead, advanced radar arrays and semi-autonomous functions quietly watch, support, and step in only when absolutely necessary, reducing the stress of a long journey to zero. Imagine a late-night highway drive where the ambient lighting matches your heart rate, the seats are gently supporting your body, the electrostatic speakers built into your headrest are creating a private concert hall, and the car is effortlessly keeping its lane. That is where technology stops being a marketing gimmick and becomes emotional. This vehicle doesn't win by being the loudest or the most dramatic on the road. It wins by creating a complete, unbroken atmosphere of luxury, capability, and absolute privacy. It doesn't try to be everything for everyone. It knows exactly who it is for. It is built for the executive who demands a mobile command center, the enthusiast who appreciates handcrafted perfection, and the individual who understands that true luxury is never about showing off every single second. It is about never having to explain why your vehicle feels special. So, tell me. Is this custom extended matte black Monolith the absolute peak of the modern luxury SUV era, or did the designers take the length a step too far? Drop your thoughts in the comments right now. If you enjoyed this exclusive, deep dive breakdown, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Elite Drive Studio for more cinematic automotive content. Turn on notifications so you never miss our next luxury reveal. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.